Hey, I'm Jim Munchbach, and I'm going to be your instructor in the CFP insurance component. And I'm really excited about that. So this is just my hello, hi, I'm Jim video, and I wanted to welcome you to the class, the course, and just share a little bit about myself. First thing I want you to know is I am listed as an instructor at this really awesome program, the Certified Financial Planner CFP program. This is a huge, well, I'm pretty excited about it. Great group of folks, amazing program. I've known lots of students who came through this program. I was not one of them. I did self-study for CFP, and it was the hardest thing I've ever done academically, for sure. I did pass my CFP exam the first time. My planner, she passed it on her 4th attempt. So my hope is that I can help you pass your exam the first time. And my topic is insurance. So I've been working in the financial services business for a long time, longer than I want to remember. But most of my time was spent actually in insurance. I was a State Farm agent from 1980. Well, I worked for State Farm from 1989 until 1998 when I became a State Farm agent. I was a fire claims adjuster prior to becoming a State Farm agent. So I have a lot of letters after my name. Most of them are related to the insurance business, and I love insurance. I think insurance is one of the most fascinating, interesting, valuable parts of financial planning. And so I guess my hope is that some of my stories, some of my experience can help you. In fact, I'm pretty confident that because of my experience as a student of CFP, self-study student, I will be able to help you identify at least a few things that will be on your exam. And that's obviously a challenge. It's a tension for us instructors, is to, on the one hand, we want to help you pass your exam, but on the other hand, we really, at least I believe, my hope is really to equip you to be effective as a professional in this area. And that's something I'm very confident I can do, but to balance those two, to help you identify the content that's actually going to be on your exam versus absorb the information that can best equip you to be a professional in this business, that's a challenging task. And so I will live with that tension through September. This will be my first time, so I will ask for a little grace. I'll be learning the technology. Jillian and Lori and David and the folks back at the office are awesome, and I wouldn't even consider doing this without having their assistance. I hope that as students you're awesome too. I'll do my very best. I'll be very available, and I'll do my best to help you any way I can, but I will ask for a little grace as I'm learning the technology and stepping into that amazing classroom for the first time. So, looking forward to seeing you, looking forward to meeting you. I wanted to kind of share a little contact information. I am on LinkedIn, if I can get this thing to work. I would love to connect with you on LinkedIn. If you just search for Jim Munchbach, Munchbach has an H on the end, send in a connection request, and I would love to connect with you. And we will be exchanging, I guess we will exchange contact information when we get together, but I'm easy to reach. Jim@familywealthbuilder.com. That's my email address, and I'll share my phone number, my mobile phone number, this guy. I'll share that with you soon. So until we meet, I have a question I want you to consider, I want you to think about. So I have tons of stories about insurance that to me are fascinating, and I teach at the University of Houston, and I tell some of those stories to my students and my clients. But my question is, what's your story? What's your story about insurance and risk management? And how do you see this topic impacting you as a professional advisor? So that's my question. What's your story? What's your insurance story? It can be anything. I'm just curious. Like, what do you think about insurance? When you think about insurance, what do you think about? Think of a story. Tell me a story. And I look forward to hearing your story. I look forward to working with you, and I am thrilled to be a part of this community. So until we meet next week, I'm Jim Munchbach, and I look forward to meeting you very soon.